Hello mga pare ko, Haka Rider here, and welcome once again to one of my YouTube video. So I bought this saddle bag from Lazada. This one costs around 2,000 plus. I'll post a link at the description if you are interested. So it has two variants. One is the medium size and the other one is the large. So I bought the large one, and it comes in two colors. So one is a full black and this one has a brown element to it. So the quality is really nice. It's sturdy and well made. So the only thing I don't like in it are the belts. It seems a little thin, and the mount, I'm not really sure if it will be able to carry large load. So you have a carry handle in case you wanna take it off your bike, and you can tie the bottom part to your bike. So it comes with a string that you can use to tie to your bike. So this one. So inside there's some little dirt in here that can be removed, and there's a little pocket. Probably this one is if you want to put small stuff in it, and it's also possibly waterproof. And that's the inside. Really good. Nothing special, but it has a moderate capacity for a large bag. So it comes with a belt. So one thing I wish it has is a lock, so not everyone can easily access it. And let's move to installation.